Tom, we are finally here.
Our first home. I love it.
Let's move the sofa in first.
Okay, lift it up. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, it is stuck in the door.
Push harder. It can fit.
It is not moving at all.
Let's turn it on its side.
Good idea. Turn it this way.
Now lift the front a little.
It is moving. Keep going.
Almost there. One more push.
We did it. The sofa is in.
Great teamwork. Now let's make this home perfect.
Let's take a short break.
Wait, look at that wall.
What about it? It looks fine.
There is a black spot right there.
Oh, it is so small. Forget it.
No, I can't stop looking at it.
It is just a little mark.
I will clean it. It will look new.
The paint is new. Be careful.
Don't worry, I will be gentle.
We can ask the landlord later.
It is easy. I just need a wet sponge. Okay, here I go. Scrub, scrub.
Is the spot gone yet?
Almost. I will rub a little harder.
Tom, wait. Something looks wrong.
What? Let me see.
The paint is coming off.
Oh no, there's a white spot now.
It looks worse than before.
I can fix it. I will blend it in.
No, don't rub it more.
It is okay. Just a little more.
Now the white spot is bigger.
Why is this happening?
The wall has flat paint. It rubs off.
I made it so much worse.
It looks like a little cloud now.
A cloud? Oh, Sarah, I am sorry.
It is okay. We can paint it later.
Let me go and wash my hands. I want to help. Let me fix something.
Maybe you should rest first.
Look, this shelf is a little loose.
It is fine. Please leave it.
I will just make the screw tight.
Okay, but be gentle this time.
Don't worry, I know shelves.
Tom, the wall is soft there.
Just one strong turn.
Watch out, it's coming off.
The screw popped out of the wall.
The shelf is falling. Move.
Oh no, the books are everywhere.
Are you okay? That was close.
I am fine, but the shelf is broken.
And now there's a hole in the wall.
This day is not going well.
Okay, no more shelves.
Good. Let's just sit down.
Wait, the kitchen sink looks dull.
Tom, please, not again.
I will make it shiny, just a quick rub.
What is that rough pad?
It cleans very well. Watch.
Stop! Look at the sink now.
Oh, there are scratches everywhere.
The new sink has lines all over it.
I only wanted to help.
I know. Please put the pad down. Tom, come and sit with me.
But there is still so much to do.
Maybe you are just very tired.
I am a little tired, yes.
Please stop cleaning for today.
But I want our home to be perfect.
It does not need to be perfect.
I keep breaking things.
I know. That is why you should rest.
Ha, okay, you are right.
Look at our little cloud on the wall.
It can be our first family story.
Every home needs a few little marks.
Yes, now it really feels like home.
Let's order pizza and relax.
Now that is a job I can't break.